Hi and welcome back to Herbyzulu Full-Time Mama under the segment of Raising My Beautiful Daughters. And today I bring you a stolen moment of my daughters trying and practicing IsiZulu, our home language. What I'll try to do is to record them unaware so that I give you raw information on how we are raising them outside our home country while trying to teach them and get them used to our language. So today I've got a video which is more of a recording of them practicing IsiZulu at night, trying to communicate and talk about what was happening around them. I just left the phone there and I let them talk or communicate in our language. I hope you'll enjoy it.
How do you say why in Zulu?
Ngubani.
Gobani Yashaya. Because they fly in the sky. How do you say fly in Zulu?
Fly, ndiza.
Diza. Ukoma. Yeah. Diza. Yabo. Gobani. Buze. Imbuze. Ia. Goze.
So guess.
How do you say gymnastics in Zulu?
Hi, we don't have gymnastics in Zulu. In Zulu, siyasina.
Yasina. Yasina.
Sina.
Yasina. 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 Ma, how do you say let's do yoga? Ma, how do you say let's? Ma, how do you say let's do yoga?
Yoga.
It says yoga. Ne. Let's Isina. La 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 polo. La 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 la. Yoga. Let's yoga. Ma, how do you say okay in Zulu?
Yebo.
Yebo.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and share how you managing to ensure that your kids speak or communicate in your home language at home, or maybe how do you teach your kids your home language? How do you make it enjoyable and how do you make it fun so that they always enthusiastic and they will always like to communicate in their language. Thank you.